Alright guys, today we're going to quickly remove this gear knob and replace it with a new shiny one. Just ignore the background noise, it's Thursday. As you can see, it's more than just a high time to get this replaced. And we're replacing it with this new, kind of chromish brand new one. Alrighty, so on the left hand side of the gear knob, once you've got it open, you'll find a steel weight. Use a flat piece of metal or a flat screwdriver like this. Apply some elbow grease and twist it. You'll feel it give once it starts turning. Once it's loose, take the tool out and pull the gear knob straight up and off. And then it's done.
Start mornings, hands on steel. Every turn was a promise I could feel. You were there through the grind, through the miles, through the chaos, the traffic, the trials. Worn leather, cracked from the fight, held together through day and night. Every shift was a story told of a young road heart that grew old. Yeah, you carry the weight of every gear I chased, every high, every low, every reckless race. Now the bass kicks in, but you're fading out from the fast lane dreams to the silence now. You are part of me, every move, every turn. Now it's time to rest, yeah, you've earned what you've earned. Cracked and broken, but you held your drives with the windows down, late night runs through a sleeping town. Every scar tells a place we've been, every split's where the stress got in. You felt the pressure, you took the strain, through the losses, the winds, the rain. Never slipped when the moment came, never folded under the flame. Yeah, you held it together when the road got rough. Never once did you say that's enough. Now the bass kicks in, but you're fading out from the fast lane dreams to the silence now. You were part of me, every move, every turn. Now it's time to rest, yeah, you've earned what you've earned. Cracked and broken, but you held your line through the years, through the fire, through the test of time. Let the new one shine, let the old one go. But the road remembers what the driver knows. Not just plastic, not just chrome. You were grip, you were control, you were home. Every shift was a piece of me. Now I'm letting go, but you'll always be. Now the bass hits hard, it shakes the ground, but I still feel you when the gears come round. Every memory lives in the drive, in the rhythm, in the way I ride. So I'll swap you